how to assemble this. These will fit inside this one here, and these two here will fit on either end like so, and then when they get welded on it'll be like that. The ends in here will probably get welded on, so on both sides, so that it doesn't fall apart. This thing here will get welded onto there like so, which will be I'm going to put another pipe through the center of this one, and that'll be welded onto that, so that when that's in there it'll be able to rotate rather than just going one direction when I go to cut stuff. And when I have the center piece, that'll get welded on this way to this one. So I've luckily I had a piece of pipe that had a joiner in it, and it gives me enough space in here, which will give me the same amount of space in there when I weld that on between that and the pipe, so it allows everything to move. And then the pipe that goes through here later on, like so, that'll have a base on it which comes out, which will get mounted to the table, and I do plan on drilling a hole in there with a adjustable screw so that it tightens up to lock it in position. I don't know how well it's going to work, whether it's going to have enough strength. This way I might need to put some supports to the top or something later on. We'll see how we go. But that's it, and that's all the sizes so far. And I'm just going to weld all this up and take from there.